Hi, very good evening. Welcome to Agently. Today we are in Yalanka New Town near Upanagar bus station, very close to Yalanka main road and very close to Mother Dairy Circle of Yalanka New Town. There is a semi-commercial rental income property for sale. So it is very close to the main road. From here just 350 meters you have Yalanka main road, and from here 350 meters you have Yalanka New Town main bus stand, that is Upanagar bus stand. So regarding the property, it is west facing, and you have east facing road, two roads facing. This is the main road which is connecting directly to the Yalanka main road. So here ground floor you have total commercial area for very good rental fetching, and ground floor you have parking plus commercial. First floor 2 1 BHKs with north facing door, second floor 2 1 BHK with north facing door, and on third floor you have 1 BHK with east facing door. So total 5 1 BHK plus 1 commercial, or else you can convert into commercial plus 6 1 BHK, as in this you have another entry from east, so you can take an entry from east and create 1 BHK. It is been planned as per similar to that only. So let's go inside and have a look. So this is the shop. So till here, and it goes and it takes total 763 square feet and convertible into one shop plus 1 BHK, because you have another road behind. So it is you can convert that portion into 1 BHK. So it is made in such a way so that a step is given. In future, if you want, you can convert this into 1 bedroom and give an entrance from behind for rental purpose. So based on that, it has been made. So you have one road on the east, so their door can be given and made one a kind of 1 BHK here, and here you will have shop. So this is some which is 10,000 liters Kaveri water. It's full, and here you have meter, Kaveri water meter. So this is the meter. So this is total ground floor you have shop and parking. So this is the entrance. You have a small two-wheeler parking and way to first floor, and here you have all the meters, separate meters, and one for motor. So this is first floor, two portions. This is 1 BHK and there 1 BHK. So let's look at this 1 BHK. So there is a north facing door. So total 3 will be similar setup. This is first floor which I am showing you. So second floor similar setup. Third floor similar, but east facing door you will have. So this is 1 BHK model. So similar you have on the other floors. So your entrance you have a small foyer, hand wash area. Then this is the kitchen and living area, common washroom, and bedroom. It is purely for rental income purpose. Good quality of construction is being used. Material, common washroom, and this bedroom. So similar, this is first floor. Second floor you will have similar, and third floor similar but east facing door. So this 3 units you have, and another I'll show you. That setup is two units. So this is another setup. You have two units similar to this, and Vascals are of teak. And talking about the east facing road, this is the east facing road. So if you need the ground floor, 1 BHK can be done by giving entrance from here, and one small shop in front it will be. So if you need, you can do modification. So this is another 1 BHK on the first floor. So living area, washroom, bedroom and a kitchen. So this is the bedroom. It's late evening. There is good ventilation. It's almost around 5:15. And here you have kitchen. So this model you have two units. So total 5 units. 1 BH total 5 1 BHKs. Washroom, bedroom and kitchen, living area. So let's go to the second floor. Similar setup. The second floor, one BHK and another 1 BHK. So this is third and fourth. We have seen first floor 1, 2, 3, 4, and in third floor you have one, that is fifth 1 BHK. So there is third floor 1 BHK plus open terrace. So this is open terrace. If you need, you can extend easily. So here you have a shaft, and this is east facing 1 BHK model. So total this is the fifth 1 BHK. Above this you have total solar. So let's go and have a look. So here you have for ventilation you have shaft. Then for each floor you have one solar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each unit is having one solar. There are 2 tanks. You can see pillars. So this is the west facing road, and that side you have east facing road. So quick, this the ground floor you have shop. First floor 2 1 BHK, second floor 2 1 BHKs, and third floor 1 BHK. That is total 5 1 BHKs. So you can see that poles, which is Yelahanka main road, and this side you can see Nagarjuna, and that is the mother dairy next to that. So location wise it is very prime location, very closer to new Yelahanka New Town bus stop, Upanagara bus stop, and this side just 350 meters you will lead to the Yelahanka main road. So for more details you can go through the description right below the video, and to get details on your WhatsApp you can send the code which will be in the description. Thank you.